Now this is the package list. And this is drilling diagram. This hole is for the latch bolt. It's slotted right here. The center of the small and large holes is this. We've already drilled this to holes. Now, let's start installing. First we install this latch bolt. The slope of the latch bolt faces the direction in which the door closes. Now let's install this outdoor panel. Handle for outdoor panel. On the rear side, there is switch for left or right opening. If you open on the left, it will turn to the left. If you open to the right, it will turn to the right. We are now in a left hand position. Then it comes with this rubber pad. It's the screw in this position. Drive the screw in like this. Then this position is to install this square spindle. The position is the buckle and holds it down. Push it in here. And here a click. It's already inserted. And we are now installing this outdoor panel. This cable goes through this small hole. Then insert this spindle through the hub here. Align and insert it. There are 2 long studs here. And then install the base plate of indoor panel. The cable goes through this small hole. The base plate of indoor panel also has rubber pad. Align both sides and take a look at the alignment. Then tighten the screws. We don't need to twist it so tightly first. We can adjust this plate position then. So let's check this door panel. If the outdoor panel and the indoor panel are vertical, then we can adjust it. Tighten them now. Now we install the handle of this indoor panel. Its direction. Tighten. Then open the battery compartment cover. The cable is plugged into this socket. Then install it. Then after installing it, we will turn it on. Switch this up to turn it on. You can see a flash of light. There is a sound from the outdoor panel that it is successfully turned on. And then we install this battery cover. It is now finished. Now let's register administrator's password and cards. Press star and hash key to enter setting. Press initial password 1 to 3 for 5-6 hash.
Press 1 for administrator settings, 2 for user management, 3 for system settings, 4 for network configuration.
Press 1 to set administrator information. Press 1 to add administrator information. Input administrator password twice.
Please input again. 0, 1, input successful. Please enter administrator information.
Input card administrator.
Input administrator's card.
0, 3, input successful. Please enter administrator information.
Press the star key repeatedly to exit.
And use password
Now,
to
I
open
use the
door.
administrator's password to open the door.
Unlocked.
And now, I use the administrator's card
Now
to
use
open the
card
door.
To open the door.
Unlocked.
Now demonstrate registering
Registering
user
user
face. Press star and hash key to enter setting.
Enter administrator information.
And use administrator's
Input
card to enter function.
Administrator card or password.
Press 1 for administrator settings, 2 for user management.
Press 2 to enter user setting.
Press 1 to add a user. Press 2 to delete a
Press
user.
1 to enter a user.
Unlocking information.
Input user
Press the
face.
button to start
Press
face
the camera
recognition.
button.
Please face the camera. This is 0.14. Input successful.
Exit.
Please enter.
Press the star key repeatedly to exit.
Use user face to open the door. Press
Now use
the
user
camera
face
button.
recognition to open door.
Please face the camera. This is unlocked.
Door open.
Now demonstrate registering
Register
user palm vein.
print.
Press star and hash key to enter setting.
Information.
Input administrator
And use administrator's
or
card to enter
password.
function.
Press 1 for administrator settings, 2 for user management, 3 for
Press 2.
Press 1 to add a user. Press 2 to delete a user.
Press 1.
Enter unlocking information.
Press the button to
Press
start
the
palm vein
camera
recognition.
Please face the camera. This is 0.5 to 1 meter.
Input
Naturally
user
open your
card.
palm 20 centimeters in front of the camera.
Exit.
Please enter unpressed.
Press the star key repeatedly to exit.
Use user palm to open the door. Press the camera
Now use
button
user
again.
palm vein recognition to open door.
0 point unlocked.
Door open.
Now demonstrate registering user
Register
fingerprint.
user fingerprint.
Press star and hash key to enter setting.
Enter
And use administrator's card to enter
or
function.
password.
Press 1 for administrator settings, 2 for user management,
Press 2.
for system settings. Press 1 to add a user.
Press
2
1.
to delete it. Please enter unlocking information.
Input user fingerprint.
Place fingerprint on the sensor.
Input again. Please input
You need to
again.
try it 4 times.
Please input again. 1, 2, input successful.
Now
Press the
exit.
star key repeatedly to exit.
Use user
Now use user fingerprint to open door.
Unlocked.
Opened.
Now demonstrate registering
Register
user
user.
password and card. Press star and hash key to enter setting.
Information.
Input administrator
And use
password
administrator's
or
card to enter function.
Administrator card.
Press 1 for administrator settings, 2 for user
Press
management,
2.
3. Press 1 to add a user.
Press
2 to
1.
delete it. Please enter unlocking information.
User card.
Place user card on the
1,
panel.
0, 7. Input successful. Please enter unlocking information.
And input
Now
the user
user
password
password.
twice.
Please input again. 1, 1. Input successful.
Exit.
Press the star key repeatedly to exit.
Now
use user card to open door.
Unlocked.
Use user password
And use user
to open the
password to
door.
open door.